I think Neeta as a designer is wonderful. She's very traditional also, and that's what I really appreciate because I love always looking very, very traditional. And noticed in the past year she's put this modern touch to everything. Even her sarees have become more shaped, and started giving me waistbands, and so it's important to bring the figure out, and that's what I really like. Is it keeps it like not on a traditional level, but still she brings that figure out also.
As an actor, what kind of chemistry do you share with her as a designer?
You know, Neeta's one person I'll never forget. For No Entry, I did a guest appearance, and Anis Bazmil ji called me at 9 in the night, and he said, the shoot was supposed to be next week, but we're doing it tomorrow morning. And I'll never forget, I called Neeta at 12 in the night, and I said, Neeta, I need help. Poor thing, she sat up all night, 7 in the morning at shoot, she was there with the outfit, which looks great. So the rapport I have with her is that I know she'll never let me down, and that's the most important thing about Bollywood. It looks all great. It's really tough, trust me.
Do you enjoy more of a collection on ramp or on films? How do you?
I think in films, the looks are always differ. And I think on ramp it's more of a fashion statement, which is now suddenly there is this marriage between fashion and Bollywood, and suddenly everybody's very aware of what you're wearing. So I think what is on the ramp is also worn in the films. There's really no difference over there.
Any clashes in giving when she gives you tips or you give her tips? I mean, because you all
No,
would
I
be-
think we both believe in growing, and you don't have to necessarily sit there and have an ego about things. You have to constantly better yourself. I remember when I came in the industry, it's not like I just had the best style statement, nor did anybody. I mean, if you see any of the actresses, we all evolved. So the whole thing is about learning.
Okay, final question. Your natural fashion statement or style statement?
I think a really nice sari just makes it really worthwhile, and that's where Neeta comes in handy.
Thank you so
Thanks
much.
for coming in now, and I like the fact that they have been given a platform to like